Okay, let's learn how to rewrite linear equations in slope-intercept form. We're going to look at what the slope-intercept form is, so we're going to explain that, and then we'll examine the steps for rewriting linear equations in slope-intercept form, and after that, we'll do some examples applying these steps. So what is the slope-intercept form? By the name, you can tell that it has to do with something with a slope and an intercept. So a linear equation is said to be in slope-intercept form if it is expressed as y equal to mx plus b. So y equal to mx plus b. Here is our slope, which is represented by m, and here is our intercept, which is represented as b. So how do we go about rewriting linear equations in slope-intercept form? It's just the same as solving the literal equation for y. So we're just trying to isolate y. So that's all this is about. So we look for a way to isolate y. So let's do some examples. Write the equation below in slope-intercept form. So 3x minus 4y equal to 7. So what we're going to do, because we're trying to isolate y, we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. So we have negative 4y equal to negative 3x plus 7. And then we'll divide every term by negative 4. So that way we have our y isolated. So y equal to 3 over 4x, because negative divided by negative is positive, minus 7 over 4. So plus 7 divided by negative 4 is going to be a negative value. So that's how you do that. Let's do another example. Write the equation below in slope-intercept form. So x equal to 5y plus 11. So we want to isolate y, so we subtract 11 from both sides. So x minus 11 equal to 5y. And now we divide every single term by 5. So y is going to be 1 over 5x minus 11 over 5. So that is that equation in slope-intercept form. Let's do another one. Write the equation below in slope-intercept form. So we're going to, first of all, we're going to distribute this 4 into the parentheses. So let's start off here. 4, 3x minus 5y equal to negative 24. So this is going to be 12x minus 20y equal to negative 24. Now we're going to subtract 12x from both sides. And we have negative 20y equal to negative 12x minus 24. And now we divide every term by negative 20 and we'll have to simplify. So we have y equal to, this is going to be 3 over 5x plus 6 over 5. Now, how do we get that? You simplify negative 12 divided by negative 20. You're going to divide both of them by negative 4. So you're going to get 3 over 5. And you do about the same here. You divide both by negative 4, which is going to be your common factor here. And you just get 6 over 5. Or you could go one step between this. You could say y equal to 12 over 20 x, because we have negative is going to make it positive, plus 24 over 20, and then you can divide each of these terms by 4, since 4 is the greatest common factor of both of them. And you're going to get y equal to 3 over 5x plus 6 over 5. The final example is to write this in slope-intercept form. So we're going to have 4, we have x minus 2y over 3 equal to 16. What we're going to do here is multiply everything, both sides, by 3. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 here, and then multiply this by 3. So we cancel this out. So we have 4x minus 2y equal to 48. So we can actually go one more step here and just divide both sides by 4. divide both sides by 4, you have x minus 2y equal to 12. So if you don't want to divide this by 4, you can actually distribute the 4 in here, but at the end of the day, you're going to end up dividing. So that's why we'll go ahead and get it out of the way. So now we subtract x from both sides. So we have negative 2y equal to negative x plus 12. We divide everything by negative 2. And then we have y equal to 1 over 2x minus 6. So that is how you rewrite this in slope-intercept form.